Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 28th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir Stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir, nice day today, up 11 cents, 1.1%, closed at 10.13. Post-market, we seem to be up by 6 cents. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. So we have a nice bounce. So we had a nice bounce on Tuesday right here on the support. Also yesterday, we touched it perfectly, and now we are getting a little bit higher with the long wick at the bottom. So the stock tried to go down during the day, but the buyers pushed it back up quite forcefully. We still have this 10.13 resistance that's still in the way. It has been in the way for some time, but right now we should be able to break it because support is getting closer and closer, and the support is going to push the stock up because support is being respected. So I am hopeful that we can break this. So let's hope that we can. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, where did we start today? So this was the first candle of the day. A weird candle, I would say. So we opened right here at the top of the rectangle, then went super high, broke 10.13, came back down and retested some other downward resistance and shut back up again. And then we were blocked at 11:30, we were stopped at 10.13, came back down a little bit, but the buyers were there. Look at this long wick here. The buyers were there to keep the stock up. The buyers also here, but some sellers too. And then no more sellers. And then the stock started to go up and started to go up. But we stopped at 10.30. I think this is just a temporary stop. I talk about it because we go onto the 1 hour chart for people that like to trade a little bit more tightly. But if you are looking at the daily chart, then you don't have to bother too much with 10.13. The stock is rebounding nicely. In terms of stochastic, we have a stochastic at 70. It's okay. It's okay at 70. It's not the best yet. It could be better a little bit. I am trying to give you both sides of the coin here. So stochastic is coming down. It's slowly coming down. So I don't like to see that too much. But so far, this is not having much impact on the stock movement per se. If we break 10.13 tomorrow, then we should get a bigger stochastic, and maybe we are going to break this stochastic downward resistance kind of thing. But everything else is good. Everything else is good in terms of the indicators. Everything is nice. So let's ride this pony into the horizon. And thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.